In this video, I'll be sharing how you can revamp your website in under 3 minutes using SiteFlipMarket.com. Simply take your website and paste it here and just click flip it. Now it takes about 150 seconds for it to flip your website. Now what it's doing is it's crawling the website, it's taking screenshots of the homepage, and it's redesigning the homepage that you have there. And so it's doing it for my page right now, which is talden.com. Alright, so this is what your after website looks like. As you can see, so you would see the before. Let me click on before here. You can see that this is the plain website I had before, and you can see after. Look at what it is developed. Right, you can see it went into all the different sections. It went into different products, talked about what our clients say, added different sections basically, and we even went into how we work and all of that. So more or less like a standard website built up, and then they even added a chatbot for me, which is interesting. So these are all the recommendations that and more that you would get when you do your own flip. But then it doesn't stop there. We also add 3 files. One of them is a 5-page redesign pack, because this is just the home page, right? So it works on 5 more pages and just redesigns them, and it gives you the HTML file, right? And that with that HTML file, you can deploy that website with a proper engine, right? Or we could actually deploy it for you. We have a service to help you deploy that, right? And then it also comes with a website audit report, which is basically your SEO, your accessibility, your UX. It just does a proper audit of that, and it sends that to you. And then the last thing is that it gives you a 30-day growth roadmap, and you can access all of this, right, for just 35,000 naira. Right, so if you click on any of these buttons, it would unlock that file and allow you to pay for that, right? So